Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel so far. I'm with Joe Franek. Tell us about your car.
It's a 2013 Kia Soul. I had it since about 112,000 miles.
Awesome. So you guys see here, this is the engine treatment, Tribo-MAX. And Joe, we just put a little in here and a little in there. That'll start to treat your oil pump, restore that if there's any lost pump pressure. Everywhere that the oil touches, the engine will start to be restored and healed up with a nano ceramic technology. It's really awesome stuff. I wanted to kind of get you to do like a 15-second thing. If someone is in this area, we've got a lot of viewers on our channel that's in this area. I personally would recommend Joe. He's great to work with, very personal guy. Told me about growing up in the Bronx and milking cows at 4 a.m. And so this guy's got an awesome work ethic, and he would love to help you guys get your maximum tax return amount. So,
hey, my company's name is Franek Tax Services. Been in business for 39 years, awesome. Personal and small business tax returns. And my phone number, best number, is 919-631-6731.
Awesome. Thanks, Joe. Let me go around and show them the magnet you have. Where did you get the magnet from?
One of the guys that do it. In fact, give the number. I gave them the wrong number. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all good.
It's 919-637-6731.
Okay, that's the office number.
Thank you very much. That's my office number.
Awesome.
And I got one of the guys who do my promotional got me the stuff. They've been on the car for about 6-7 years already.
Yeah, it looks great. I like it with the sticky note there.
Yep.
So he's going to do a lot of driving, usually average 18,000 miles a year?
I do 18,000 a year. Awesome. Easy.
so on average, what we're seeing is usually about 3 to 5 mile per gallon gain just from the reduction in friction. And so if you're doing, let's see if our minds are smart enough for this, Joe. If you put 18,000 miles on a year, and say, let's go with the low ratio here. Say you get 3 mile per gallon gain. What's your average mileage right now, you think, for mile per gallon?
On the highway combined, about 32.
32. Awesome. So say we get you 35.
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
How much money would you save, you think?
A lot of money.
A lot of money.
I'm in the gas station every 4 days. You can imagine how much the stuff I do.
So it'll slowly be every 4.5 days, or every 5 days.
Hey, that's fantastic.
So you guys check out greenoutotechnology.com. We're changing the game for engine restoration with our brand Tribo-MAX. Hope you guys have a blessed day.